Hey Procraftinators! Today is day 2 of the Under the Sea hop, and the hashtag today is hashtag Friday Under the Sea. So that will be listed down in my description box below, or you can type it into YouTube search bar. This also spreads across Instagram and blogs, so be sure to search there for any projects that may be over there as well. So I'm starting off by ink blending on my card base. I made this card base in Cricut Design Space. I did not include the screencasting of me making the card base, as a lot of times people skip over that. So I decided not to include it in the video today. If you wish to see me making card bases like this, just let me know down in the I cannot talk today. Let me know in the comments below, and I can include a video on how to do shaped card bases. But like I said, a lot of people skip that, so I just decided not to include it in today's video, as there are a lot of videos and a lot of projects in this hop. I wanted to be considerate of your time. So here I'm just, I laid down the decorative pieces of my seashell card base, and I just kind of wanted to see where I needed to add the shading in between those decorative pieces. I am using Abandoned Coral Distress ink, and so again, just laying down my decorative pieces here and seeing if I like the shading or not. I'm just going to add a little bit more, and then we will be gluing down those decorative pieces. I did kind of feel like I maybe cheated a little bit on this card. There is absolutely no stamping on this card. I had some Paper Studio dimensional stickers in my stash that I got on clearance a while back from Hobby Lobby, and I decided to use those up. I don't remember why I got them or whatnot. I believe it was, I thought they were cute, and I have a niece that's into stuff like that, and I thought maybe it'd make a cute card for her. That's probably why I got them, but I really don't remember. I saw them and I decided to use them up, and this was the perfect time to use them. So here I'm just gluing on the decorative pieces. This is some Craft Perfect pearlescent cardstock. I believe it is in the color Princess Pink. Yeah, Princess Pink, I believe. I'm not entirely sure. I was getting the tonic card kit, and you get one piece of various different colors in each one's kit, and I think this is the Princess Pink. That's kind of what I deduced down to. So it's a stab in the dark. Anyway, so here's the dimensional stickers. This is from the Mermaid's 13-piece set. You're probably not going to find it. Like I said, I got it on clearance quite a while ago, but that's what I used. So just telling you that that's what I used. And so I started to lay down the mermaids. I'm not fully sticking them down because I wasn't sure on the placement. And then I had this banner that I created in Design Space, and here I'm popping up the M number from Design Space, and the font was Fantastic, and it is a 3-piece layering banner, and I just used some scraps from my scrap bin, and I decided I probably better put this down first before I start getting too crazy with my stickers here. So I'm just going to lay that down first, and then I'm going to make the final decisions on my stickers, and I decided that the mermaids looked fine where they were at. And I'm going to add a few more stickers to complete the scene on the front here. And these ones here are the Sea Creatures dimensional stickers. So I'm just going to grab a couple stickers off of it to complete the front, and then we will move on to the inside. And this, like I said, came together pretty quick. This is going to be a pretty short video for me today. And then you can move on to the other creators in the hop. I'm just going to take this little seahorse, and then I'm going to add some bubbles because, you know, the creatures would have bubbles coming up from their mouth, of course. So we're just going to add a couple bubbles, and that'll finish off the front of my card. I thought the seashell was a fun little shape for for all these mermaids and the sea creatures. So I did want to show you how to put this banner together, just in case you were not aware how these little 3-piece banners work in Design Space and whatnot. So it's got 3 different colors. You start with your lightest, and then you put that on the mid tone color, and then the darkest, for whatever reason, has a little cut slit in it, and it's to help you line it up, even though, I mean, this one's pretty easy to line up. You line it up with the top and everything will line up, but it does have those little cut slits there to help you line up the bottom of it. Even though, like I said, you line it up with the top and it's going to line up. But then I'm just going to glue that straight down to my card. And I did curve that text on both banners to match the curve in the banner. And I'm just going to glue that down. And then we're going to add a couple stickers in here too, of course, because if I was stamping, I would stamp the inside usually. So I'm going to add a couple of these stickers. Now these ones are the flat stickers. There were some flat and some dimensional in each set, so I decided to use the flat ones on the inside because that makes the most sense, of course. You don't want to squish your dimensional stickers on the inside of the card, so. And I decided, I wasn't really sure where I wanted to put that last fish, but I finally made a decision up top on the banner there. And then, of course, we're going to add some bubbles for these fish, too. And that is going to finish off the card today. So don't forget the hashtag is hashtag Friday under the sea hop. Or no, hashtag Friday under the sea. And I will have that hashtag in the description box below. And don't forget to check out the blogs and the Instagram people too. And as always, have a great day.